The new state-of-the-art Ocho Rios fishing village is now open. It was developed by the Port Authority of Jamaica at a cost of 220 million Jamaican dollars. This video is sponsored by the Jamaican Cultural Foundation in Sweden, organizers of Jamaica's Independence Day celebrations in Stockholm. Stay tuned for more information.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The facility, which many sector interests are describing as one of a kind in the Caribbean, will provide an extraordinarily huge boost for Jamaica's already vastly flourishing tourism product. The development is intended to be a beachside attraction and a cultural melting pot, catering to locals and tourists, and features entertainment areas, craft and gift shops, convenience stores, restaurants, bars and cafes. The village was redeveloped to support the needs of the local community, particularly fishermen and fisherfolks, as it creates a modern and structurally enhanced environment for them to trade their goods and services.
My name is Verona Addison Tucker, and my husband is Richard Tucker. I am here, happy that we able to get one of the shop, and I just want to say that I am happy how they renovate the place and everything looking very nice, and I am looking forward to seeing some good business here. Yeah, man, and I just want to say thanks to Port Authority.
We're live here at Jangali Seafood Restaurant, Fisherman Beach, a new and improved Fisherman Beach. Well, basically, we do seafood. Basically, we're coming from the old Fisherman Beach, where we never used to have much facilities like bathroom, like, proper facilities for the beach. Well, thanks to Port Authority, and some great people, Jamaica Tourist Board and lots more, we have a new and improved Fisherman's Beach right now, and it's going on very good. Yesterday we had a very tremendous, it was very nice to see like all the tourists that came off the ship came down, they didn't have much to do, but it was still great to everyone. The atmosphere was nice, but apart from that, we're here live at Jangali Seafood.
Yeah, we like this develop. It is good, upliftment from when I used to be here for a long time, and what Port Authority do now, we appreciate it.
Well, the beach wasn't that beautiful. Now they enhanced it by these pretty shops, but it's good to see local, not Indian night shiny, but we the original foundation of the beach in the shop. So that's beautiful, and we love development here at the Fisherman Beach.
As you see, we have a lot of improvement here, and it's going smoothly. We have a few guests walking through, enjoying the environment, and it's a good look for watchers. We have always begging for improvement within the fishing village, and it shows where it is some part of a success in the making.
We're coming from a far away, you understand me? Being as you know, the little shacks and the little stuff that we used to have here, but now it's like a palace.
Excellent, sanitation, convenience, space, everything great. Because I know it from a long time, and I know how it stay, and see it stay now after I come back. I appreciate it.
The development is a good look so far, and they promise a lot of stuff, and most of it we get through with it. All the shop owners get for their shop, fishermen comfortable around there, and we have a lot of finish up reef to do, and hopefully by January everything will be alright and smooth and nice.
Big respect once more to Port Authority. I tell you, I have one of the greatest jobs right now. And basically, I'm not just a Jamaican, I'm a Jamaican with pride, repping for Jamaica.
This video was brought to you by the Jamaican Cultural Foundation in Sweden, organizers of Jamaica's Independence Day celebrations, scheduled for August the 4th in Stockholm.
Making all us, we came out all family and friends forward to the Jamaican Independence celebration of Lavis Beach. See, I'm handsome, just forward, you don't know, it's fun and enjoyment.
Don't forget, it's Jamaica Independence Day celebration in Sweden, may I tell you. Yes, it's your boy, it's a champ. The Jamaican Independence Day celebration. East Stockholm, Jamaica.
So clean and them body them with the look how the sun and the coolest summer, the coolest summer.
Teach them!
Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.